Good morning everyone. I am student of Jesus Grace Modern Senior Secondary School from class 10B. Today we are here to explain you about compound microscope and functions of its part. So this is a compound microscope. A compound microscope is defined as a microscope with a high resolution and uses two lenses for providing a two-dimensional image of the sample. The term compound refers to the uses of more than one lenses in the microscope. Thank you.
This part is known as arm. The arm forms a vertical supporting structure. It helps to hold the compound microscope. Thank you.
This part is known as base. It is a bottom part that provides support to the compound microscope.
This is the stage. It is square shaped. And it is a metallic platform on which the slide is placed.
It is a stage to hold the slide in stage. Thank you.
This is the eyepiece. It is a cylinder containing two or more lenses. It is placed at correct working distance. Thank you.
This is known as coarse adjustment, which is used for initial focus of the object. Thank you.
This part is known as fine adjustment tool. It is used for final and clear focus of the object.
Above the stage and attached to the arm, it is a microscope which is known as a body tube, and this is the structure where the lens system magnifies the specimen. Thank you.
It is known as illumination mirror. It has a source of light and has a plane and concave mirror. Thank you.
This is called slide, a flat rectangular thin glass plate on which a specimen is placed. Thank you.
This is the objective lens. Objective lens are the lens that directly observe the object. The microscope uses example. Thank you.
Well done, students. You all have described very well the compound microscope. Thank you, all of you.